Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandhya Singh here, and today I'm showing you how I apply mehendi on my hands. This design is especially for my Rakhi, and as you know I started Rakhi series 2018, so this is the second video of that series and I hope you like it. I am applying mehendi on my own, and this is the very simple design which I am drawing. This is for the beginner, like if you don't have time to go out, then you can draw your mehendi at your home in this way like I am doing, and I hope you like it. If you want more mehendi videos, more designs by me, let me know in the comment section, then I will start uploading mehendi videos also. And till the next time, take care. And another thing is, do not forget to like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed, please let me know in the comment section what you like and what you dislike, but no negative comment please. And till the next time, take care, bye, have a very nice day, bye bye.